You might think artificial intelligence is a new idea. But if we rewind the clock, we'll discover that for centuries, people dreamed of machines that could think like us. 1843. Ada Lovelace, a brilliant English mathematician and daughter of poet Lord Byron, wrote visionary notes for Charles Babbage's analytical engine. She didn't just see it as a calculator. She imagined it could compose music, create art, and even think. This was the first real spark of the AI dream. In the 1930s, Alan Turing, a brilliant British mathematician and codebreaker, asked, "Can machines think?" He designed a theoretical computer, the Turing machine, that laid the foundation for all modern computing. During World War II, he cracked Nazi codes, helping shorten the war. He also created the Turing test, still used today to measure if a machine can imitate human intelligence. In 1956, the field of artificial intelligence was officially born at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire. John McCarthy, a pioneering computer scientist, invited a small group of researchers like Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester to a summer workshop. Their goal? To explore the possibility of creating machines that could learn, reason, and solve problems like humans. It was at this historic conference that the term artificial intelligence was coined.
My idea was to have a summer study analogous to the summer studies that had been held about some defense problems. So it seemed to me that if 10 people got together and spent the summer, that substantial progress might be made. And so I got 3 other people, Nathaniel Rochester from IBM and Claude Shannon and Marvin Minsky, to join me in submitting a proposal to the Rockefeller Foundation to support a study at Dartmouth for the summer. And for the purpose that the people who came would know what the subject was about. It wasn't automata in general, but was aimed at artificial intelligence, so I called it artificial intelligence.
Marking the start of AI as a formal field of study and sparking decades of innovation. But progress stalled. Machines didn't learn as easily as expected. Funding dried up, and AI faced what's now called the AI winter, a period of disappointment and halted research. But not everyone gave up. Geoffrey Hinton, a British-Canadian computer scientist often called the godfather of deep learning, believed machines should learn like the brain does. He pioneered neural networks despite decades of skepticism. In 2012, his team's neural network stunned the world with a breakthrough in image recognition, reigniting AI research and proving these brain-inspired models could work. After years of slow progress, AI made astonishing leaps. Generative pre-trained transformers like GPT can write text that feels human. dall.e can turn words into vivid images. AlphaGo, built by DeepMind, beat a world champion in the ancient game of Go, long thought too complex for machines. These tools don't just calculate, they create, learn, and adapt, showing glimpses of human-like creativity. Today, we're building something like a mind in silicon. And maybe the real question isn't, can machines think? But, are we ready for what comes next?